Hi Madeline, this is Teacher Scott. Saint Francis of Assisi, Sermon to the Birds. My little sisters, the birds, much bounden are ye unto God, your Creator, and always in every place ought ye to praise Him, for that He hath given you liberty to fly about everywhere, and hath also given you double and triple raiment. Moreover, He preserved your seed in the ark of Noah, that your race might not perish out of this world. Still more are ye beholden to Him for the elements of the air which He hath appointed for you. Beyond all this ye sow not, neither do you reap. And God feedeth you, and giveth you the streams and fountains for your drink, the mountains and valleys for your refuge, and the high trees whereon to make your nests. And because ye know not how to spin or sew, God clotheth you, you and your children. Wherefore your Creator loveth you much, seeing that He hath bestowed on you so many benefits. And therefore, my little sisters, beware of the sin of ingratitude, and study always to give praises unto God. Bye-bye.